Hello, it's Ryan here from RLF Vacuum Cleaners in Lakenheath. Quick video, this is just a reminder video. Beko and Grundig secret test menu. If you press these two middle buttons here for about 1 or 2 seconds and press the power on button, all the icons flash. Start and pause, that tells you your software number. This one's software 54. That's an icon flash that tests all your lights on your display. Start and pause. That one tells you your two NTC temperatures, NTC 1 12 degrees, NTC 2 12 degrees. Start and pause. That turns on the compressor fan down there. So they've got a compressor fan running. Start and pause. That there is your condensate pump on the back of the machine that fills the drawer up. 0RR is clockwise rotation of the drum. Don't know how that's coming up, but you can see that's turning clockwise. The next step is to check the sensor inside the machine, so just put your hand in, two little plates inside. So you can see it comes ST on, shut the door, start and pause, comes up with stop, start pause, 0RR again. Start and pause. Now this is the compressor testing one. Now this machine's got a faulty compressor. What should happen is the temperature, you see the temperature increase, but of course this one's got a faulty compressor, so the temperature will never increase. And unfortunately, because the temperature never increases, you can't move on to the next step. But then again, you pretty much tested everything. Just to finish off, because this one won't finish, once it reaches the required temperature, which I think is about 55 degrees on the NTC, you press start and stop again. The motor will spin counterclockwise. Start and stop again. It'll bring up the last 5 errors, and start and stop again. It'll take you out of the menu and it'll take you back to the normal display screen.